and welcome back to a new YouTube video. So today we decided to make slime. It's our first time, so hopefully it'll work.
Yeah. Okay, so the things you'll need for this recipe that we're doing is body lotion,
Shaving cream,
hand soap,
glue,
cornstarch,
food coloring,
borax,
a measuring cup, hand soap,
and hand soap.
just spoons, and you need hot water. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we're starting with 1 cup of hot water.
And so you're going to add
1 teaspoon of borax. Like a little more, I think.
Yeah, a little bit more than a
teaspoon.
teaspoon.
Okay.
That's
And then you stir and just let it dissolve. Next, you need half a cup of glue. Okay, so we just put the half cup of glue in the bowl.
So next you're gonna do a half a cup of shaving cream.
Okay, next you need half a cup of foam soap, so make sure it has this.
Okay, so now you need to add cornstarch, 1 tablespoon.
And now stir it up again. Next, you need 1 or 2 pumps of the normal hand soap. Okay, and then what else? The body lotion, 1 or 2 pumps. Pumps.
2.
Yeah, 2. Okay, 2. Now we're using 2 drops of food coloring, and we're gonna use orange.
And blue.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna use 1 drop.
Mm-hmm. And now we need to come back to the borax mixture.
And you have to add a teaspoon.
And mix it through again, right?
At a time.
Okay. But at first you do 3.
1, 2, 3.
And now it's supposed to get sticky. And then you just keep on adding. Depends on how sticky you want it to be. Oh my god, it's kind of working.
Yeah.
Hold on, wait. Okay, so we added 8.5 teaspoons of borax mixture, and it actually turned out really nice. If you want it more stretchy, then you just add a little bit of lotion, and yeah, we're finished. It worked. Okay, so I think we highly recommend to make this. It's really fun. And
Oh my gosh. So, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, and we'll try to make a couple other colors.
Yeah.
Alright, see ya our next video.